to my channel, to the People Choice Show TV. Thank you all for coming and appreciate you guys. May God bless you. To my host subscribers, thank you for always tuning into my channel. To my new subscribers, thank you. May the Lord bless you all for always coming here to support your sister. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. In my today's video, guys, I'm going to talk about greediness. Yes. I'm going to mention some of the things about greediness. If you know you have one of these character, please change from it. It's a very bad something when you are greedy and it's not good. If you know you have one of these character I'm going to mention today, please change. It is not good. Alright? Greediness is a virus. It's in the blood. Whether rich or poor, a greedy person is always a greedy person. A greedy person never gets satisfied in anything in life. A greedy person never ever be contented with whatever he or she have in life. Always wants more at all cost, by all means. A greedy person always wants everything for himself or for herself. A greedy person don't want to know about any person or anybody progress or anybody prosper, but only he or her alone. A greedy person don't want to see other people's progress or other people's family or neighbor or anybody around him or her. A greedy person always wants to be on top without caring about any other person. A greedy person always wants to be the talk of the town, anytime, any day, and never think or care about the people around him or her. And this greediness, like I said, is a virus. And like a greedy person, like we talk as we move on, it leads to wickedness. A wicked person never cares about anybody. A wicked person never cares if somebody dying for his for her side, because he or she is less concerned, and no amount of prayer or sacrifice that can change that person's mind of who she or he is, because it's in the blood. It is only by the grace of God that can make the greedy person to change. That is why I said a greedy person is always greedy, and he runs in events, and from there he moves from the wickedness. The only thing you see these greedy people do sometimes, they believe they are advancing. From one level, they move to another level, and they still continue that greediness. My advice for you, when you notice this kind of greedy people, to be careful, because they are always in the society. We never see them talking good about anybody. They always want you to notice them in anywhere they are. They claim rights where they don't have rights. They do all sorts of things just to get there. A lot of things is following these greedy people. They always have one thinking. They have one way of thinking, seeing things like this. When you see like this, they will tell you it's nonsense. Please, when you have all this character I mentioned, if you are a type of somebody that don't care about anybody, or when you are in a society, when everybody is trying to put us together, you always see faults in every corner. You think only the one that will favor you. You don't remember that we're in a society. When you are in a group, you try to behave, bring that thing that can build that community. Don't always show yourself. You always show yourself. You don't care about any other person. Greediness is a very bad thing. A lot of people have this character, but they don't know they have it. But they feel they are smart. It's not by being smart. It's greedy. You claim rights when you don't have rights. When you see your neighbor is trying to move forward by your greediness because of jealousy, hatred, and everything, you try to bring that person down. All these things is always move around. Greed, hatred, all these things grouped together. Anybody that is greedy must be wicked, also a jealousy person. Because if you are greedy, you must be a wicked person. And also jealousy, because you don't want anybody to progress. You always want you. When you see something that will help your neighbor, you don't like to help. Because your mind will be telling you, if I help this person now will just pass me. Because of that thing that is in your mind, and you refuse to help that person. When you see someone want to progress, your mind will be telling you, don't allow this person to leave you. Don't allow this person to pass you. Don't allow this person. Stop it. Stop it. At times, our mind can deceive us. And if you don't control your mindset, at the end of the day, you will end up bringing people down. You will end up, destroying people's life by your greediness. Let me make this example. You are my friend, and someone know you that you are very close to me, and we come to meet you. What do you know about people choice? I want to do this thing with her. Your mind will say, hey, people choice, one come pass me. Then what will you do? You say, I beg, because of that greeting, and you say, don't go to people choice, come to me. I can do better than people choice. If you do this business with me, my sister, you will not regret it. But if you go to people choice, my dear, forget, you will lose everything. The person will be saying, you mean it? You say yes. And when you do that thing, know that thing will favor you. Because it will not mean what does not made for you, you can never collect it. It may be when people choice do it, and it will favor you, you will benefit from them. Because you want to be a criminal, greedy. You don't want people just to be progress, and you want to, rob everything. Because you don't want people choice to move forward, and you want to rob me by bringing me down. But one thing you don't know, everybody has his own destiny. Everybody have its own destiny. No matter how wrong you are, when you never reach that time where God say you will take reach there, forget. Please, if you have all this character, you don't talk good about people, you don't see anything good about people, you always like seeing everything in your own way. When you see someone want to progress, or you see somebody want to help, so you always want kind of having this character of only be like, you don't want it. It is bad. Help your neighbor, because that person that is standing by you, you never know, maybe your destiny, God will bless that person and you will tap from the blessing. Why are we praying? We were praying and I tap from your blessing. I tap from it because we know at times God can use someone to bless. But when God is going to use someone to bless you, and that person, because of your greediness, and you pin the person down, you hold that person down, and that person can never move because you hold that person down. And at the end of the day, you will be there. The person will be there. The person will be free, but your mind will not be free, because anytime your heart will be working towards that thing, maybe that person will never know that things like that come, but you will know. Your heart will keep judging you. You see them, they don't progress, they don't move forward, they're always there, they hold people down. All these greedy people, they are the cause of the reason why people are not being progressing every day. Have experienced a lot of things. Someone will come to you, want to do something with your neighbor, because you don't like that person, or because you hate that person, you will just spoil the person's name. It's very bad. Please, if you have this character, if you have this manner of always don't like people passing you, remember, overtaking is allowed. Yes, is allowed. It's not a crime. Stop being greedy. It is very bad. Please, my people, this is my topic today, because I know a lot of people have this character, and maybe they don't know this thing is very bad. But I'm here today telling you, if you have this character by always bringing people down, please change from it. Change, and God will bless you. You will receive your blessing. We all have our own destiny. You have your blessing. If you believe in God, whatever you want to get, God will give you. But don't be greedy. Don't destroy people's happiness. Remain blessed, and God bless you all. In my today topic, I will be ending here today. Please, my people, let me know what you think about my video. Leave your comments, like and share. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe and support your friend. I know you guys always be there for me. Thank you, my people. Until I come your way next time. Bye-bye.